Hey everyone, this video will teach you how to measure dry and liquid ingredients. Measuring correctly plays an important role in the kitchen.
A liquid measuring cup is used to measure ingredients like oil, vinegar, and milk. When measuring any liquid ingredient, you should use a measuring cup that has a pour spout. It is important to get down to eye level with the measuring cup to make sure the measurement is accurate.
A dry measuring cup is used to measure dry ingredients like flour, sugar, peanut butter, honey, and nuts. When measuring dry ingredients, use a measuring cup that has a straight edge. Pour or scoop the dry ingredient into the measuring cup and then scrape off the excess with the straight edge of a plastic knife or spatula. Make sure the cup is completely filled to the top.